now. It's 4:30 in the morning, so gotta be real quiet. I got a baby upstairs sleeping, but I get a lot of questions about pre-workouts and what I take before I go work out. So I don't actually take a pre-workout. I don't feel like they do anything for me. You know, stimulants just don't really work on me. But what you need before you work out is a good carb source, a good protein source, and some salts. And so that's what we have here. So the protein source I like to use is right here. Julian Bakery egg white protein. I'll do 2 scoops of this, 50 grams. And then this right here is the fuel. Protein's not really a fuel for your body. Carbs are. So I got the Carbolin here. I'll do 1 scoop of Carbolin. That's 50 grams in my shake. Pre-workout, I'll do another 50-gram shake of both post-workout. So I have an influx of blood sugar to recover. So this is awesome. I've got 2 flavors here. We've got blue raz and I've got cherry limeade. Always like multiple flavors. It's always fun to change it up. Next, I go with a vasodilator. I've got Vaso Blitz here. I've got watermelon and strawberry. Probably gonna go strawberry today. The next one is our salts, HydroSurge. So just stop you from cramping up. Make sure you have all the salts you need for muscle contraction. And last but not least, creatine. Always take your creatine before and after workout. Just 5 grams. Taking more doesn't help. You're just going to piss it out. So that's the mix right here. So let's do it. All right, folks. Let's talk breakfast. So for breakfast today, I'm doing a half an onion, sauteed. I'm going to saute it up, caramelize it. It tastes real good in the eggs. And then we've got 4 whole eggs, 2 cups of egg whites. I put a splash of this cashew and almond milk in there. This stuff is real good. And then I'll add another ½ cup of egg whites to the pan here once these get all sauteed up. And that'll be breakfast. 2½ cups of egg whites, 4 whole eggs, an onion, and half an onion, and a little splash of almond milk, and some green superfood powder. So that's it. Easy peasy. All right, so these are sauteed up. I saute these in 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. So once they kind of get to about this color, I like to add my egg whites and a little bit of my milk. I add my whole eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4 medium-sized eggs, or 3 large ones, and then I need the other 1/2 cup. A little bit more. It's all right. It'll hurt you. 2½ cups egg whites. And there we go. I will break these and stir these up. So once they get to about like this, they're done. You can turn off the heat, slide it over, and clean up our mess. And here's the finished product. So 2½ cups egg whites, 4 medium eggs or 3 large eggs, 1 avocado, 4 tablespoons of this salsa right here, black bean and corn salsa. I mix that up. All salsa is about 10 calories per 2 tablespoons, so that ain't much and adds a lot of flavor to your food. And then I've got some BCAAs and some greens in the cup. And that's breakfast pretty much every day. If I wasn't cutting right now, I'd have a russet potato, or I'd do my post-workout protein shake with the Carbolin. But since I'm cutting, I'm carb cycling, so I'm going to cut the carbs for the rest of the day here up until Friday. So there it is, folks. Appreciate it. Keep watching. Like and subscribe.